Hello, this is Brandy Farrell from Half a Hundred Acre Wood. Wanted to explain to you real quickly about how to expand the timeline from our timeline notebook. Sometimes whenever you get to a certain point in history, for example, the American Revolution or the Civil War period, you'll need to expand the timeline because there are so many events if you want to get into specific battles and those types of things. And so at the very back of the book is a blank sheet that you can use to expand the timeline. Any page, you'll just make copies of this and put this at any point in your book where you need it. Trim off the bottom edge and the side edge and the top edge. Okay, just out of the way. Then you'll take it and you'll line it up. And if you'd like, you can trim off that edge as well, the right edge. And so you'll take it, you'll line it up to the very top of that page, tape. And tape it in place there. Now you fold it over. Tape it on the other side there. And now you can add more timeline figures. You can do the same thing on the bottom if you would just do it in such a way that you could fold those over top of each other. Okay, same thing works with our other orientation. If you've downloaded the PDF and are using the portrait format, so you would do the same thing. Cut the bottom edge, the edge that would be facing the spiral binding. And then you would just tape that in place as well. So you come over here. Tape it in place along. Actually, you can go higher. You still have the time period there. And I just taped it to the table. And then trim the excess off. And then you tape it in place on this side so it doesn't come loose. And so then you have all that extra space to continue extending your timeline. That's how you expand the timeline notebook.